Xin chào. Hello everyone and welcome back. I hope that this channel is your ultimate resource to learn the beautiful Vietnamese language. In today's lesson, we will learn about Vietnamese tone. There are 6 tones in Vietnamese. The first one is the mid-level tone. In Vietnamese, we call it thanh ngang. Thanh ngang. It doesn't have any tone mark, like all the words we studied in the previous lessons, like a, ma. The second one is a low phoning tone. In Vietnamese, we call it thanh huyền. It have a tone mark like the line down like this. Thanh huyền. We go slowly down like ma. And the third one is high raising tone. In Vietnamese, we call it thanh sắc. Thanh sắc. The tones go up like this. Thanh sắc. For example, ma. The next one is the low raising tone. In Vietnamese, we call it thanh hỏi. It looks like the question mark without the dot, and it's like this. And we go up and then down, up and down. For example, ma. The next one is high broken tone. In Vietnamese, we call it thanh ngã. Thanh ngã. It go up, down, and then up. Up, down, up. For example, ma. And last but not least is heavy tone. In Vietnamese, we call it thanh nặng. You can see it at the dot below the vowel in each word. About these tones, when we pronounce it, we have to go down quickly. For example, ma. That is all about 6 tones in Vietnamese. So now, let's practice some simple words together. A. Ba. Cài. Gió. Đây. Hoa. kê kể, kẽ, kệ. Tha, thà, thá, thả, thả, thả. Mùa, mùa, múa, mùa, mùa, mùa. Okay, it's very good. We have been together, learned about Vietnamese alphabet, Vietnamese word structures, and Vietnamese tones. So from now on, you can read all Vietnamese words, and also you can write as well if we keep practice and practice. And that's all for today's lesson. Remember that together we will discover the beautiful of Vietnamese language. Xin chào và hẹn gặp lại. Goodbye and see you soon.